Welcome. Today we're going to learn about the mitzvah of Bikur Cholim, visiting the sick. Bikur Cholim is a very important mitzvah. In fact, the Mishnah in Peah that we say every morning teaches us that Bikur Cholim is one of the special mitzvot for which we receive the fruits in this world and we are rewarded in the next world. Furthermore, the Gemara teaches us, Amar Rabbi Acha bar Chanina, Kol ha-mevaker chole, notel echad mishishim b'tzaro. Rabbi Acha says, whoever visits a chole, a sick person, removes 1/60th of his illness. Now this does not mean that if we were to bring 60 visitors, the chole would be healed. Each person removes 1/60th of the remaining illness. What is the makar, the source for the mitzvah of Bikur Cholim? There is a very unusual pasuk which states, Acharei Hashem Elokechem telechu. You should walk after Hashem, ve'oto tira'u, and you should be in awe of Him. Ve'et mitzotav tishmoru, and you should guard His mitzvot. Uve'kolo tishma'u, ve'oto ta'avodu, and you shall listen to His voice, and you should serve Him. Ve'ovo tidbakun, and you should cling to Him. In the Gemara, Rabbi Chama asked, V'omar Rabbi Chama b'Rabbi Chanina, Mai dichtiv acharei Hashem lokechem telechu. That which it says in the Torah, you shall walk after God. V'chi efshar lo la'adam lahalech achar shchina. Is it possible for a person to literally walk after Hashem? Ella lahalech achar midotav shel HaKadosh Baruch Hu. But what? We are supposed to emulate Hashem's fine qualities. Mahu malbish arumim, just as He clothes the unclothed. Dichtiv, as it says, Vayas Hashem lokim la'adam ulishto katnot or vayalbishem, and Hashem gave Adam and Chava clothes made of leather. Af ata halbeish arumim, so you should dress those who need clothes. HaKadosh Baruch Hu Bikur Cholim, Hashem visits the sick. Dichtiv, Vayera Elav Hashem be'elonei mamrei, as it says, HaKadosh Baruch Hu visited Avraham after his Brit Milah. Af ata Bikur Cholim, so too you should visit the sick. HaKadosh Baruch Hu Nichem Avelim, Hashem comforts the mourners. Dichtiv, Vayihi achrei mot Avraham, Vayevarech Elokim et Yitzchak beno. And it says, Hashem visited Yitzchak after Avram's passing. Af ata nachem avelim, so you shall comfort those who are in mourning. And finally, HaKadosh Baruch Hu kavar meitim, Hashem buries the dead. Dichtiv, Vayikbar oto vagai, as it says near the end of the Torah, Hashem buried Moshe. Afata kivor meitim, so too you should bury those who have passed. The Rambam cites an additional makar, an additional source for the mitzvah of Bikur Cholim, as well as many other mitzvot that we do for others. He says that we learn it from the pasuk of V'ahavta l'reacha kamocha. You shall love your friend as you love yourself. Our Chachamim teach us that there are 3 ways to do Bikur Cholim. We do it beguf, with our bodies, b'mamon, with our money, and b'neshama, with our souls. First, how do we do Bikur Cholim with our guf, our bodies? Well, my wonderful Talmidim at SAR Academy figured out that we perform this aspect of the mitzvah with the 3 C's. We clean and cook for the chole, and we also try to cheer up the chole. Okay, but how do we do the mitzvah of Bikur Cholim with our mammon, our money? So for this, the student said, we need to remember the letter M. Meaning, by buying medicine or meals for the chola, and by paying for medical bills. In fact, an Israeli student added, we can buy matanot, presents for the chole. So how do we do Bikur Cholim with our neshamot, our souls? We do this by davening for the chole. The question arises, can we do Bikur Cholim over the phone? Well, let's look at our checklist. Can we cheer someone up over the phone? Sure, but perhaps we could do it better in person. Can we cook and clean over the phone? Not really. However, we can arrange for medicine, medical bills, and meals over the phone. What about praying for the chole? We can certainly do that, but perhaps we would feel more inspired to daven if we were to see the chole. The truth is that often a person is sick and is weak or is contagious, and the best way to do Bikur Cholim is by the phone. So, let's review. When we do Bikur Cholim, we are emulating Hashem's midot and fulfilling the mitzvah of V'ahavta l'reacha kamocha. The three ways to do Bikur Cholim are with our guf, our bodies, our mamon, our money, and with our neshamot, our souls. We do Bikur Cholim with our bodies by doing the 3 C's, cooking, cleaning, and cheering up. We do Bikur Cholim with our money by paying for medical bills, meals, and medicine. And we do Bikur Cholim with our souls by praying for sick people. Finally, we can do Bikur Cholim over the phone, but it is often better to do it in person. It was a pleasure learning with you today. Let's do it again soon.